TANH $1.20. $1.20. That was the nice move off the $1.20. If you guys look at this, right, it drove off of here. Then it did it again here. And then it did it again here. But notice it's making lower lows. You see this? So that's what it's doing right there. Now, the other thing that with this, though, I should show you this real quick. Let me draw this. So if we draw a line here, if this does break this trend, you'll have a nice pop to the upside, right? This is the $1.20 in this trend line. You guys all see this? So if this breaks, right? If this eventually breaks through here at any point, that's when we'll look for the next drive to make new high or double top. Does that make sense, everybody? Because it's going to break through this trend line.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So really, this $1.20 with this trend, these are the two most important things. And because now it's getting tighter and tighter and tighter in here, the best thing with that is you're going to get a nice, either a giant pop out of here where it finally breaks through, or it's going to drop and not come back and recover for a while off of $1.20. So I really like this trade where it's at. MMV getting ready to unhalt now. There it goes. MMV is live on a pullback. Live on a pullback to $1.52. And then it had a buyer's candle to new high a day. Look at this buyer's
slingshot.
Yep, buyer's candle. It hit our $1.52.9 we had marked right here. Boom, new high a day. MMV.
Come on, Daddy needs a new challenger.
That's right. A great call out on that earlier, Noonie. Way to see it. Nice job, everybody. Look at that, getting it done. Woo! Look at that pop. 215, 216, 218. MMV, rocket ship, baby. Beautiful on MMV. Huge volume coming in too, man. Look at this.
Next resistance is $3.
Yep, I see it. Look at this. New high a day, 221, 223, 226. Move your stops up. Move them up. 225% now. MMV, 228, 230, 231, 215%. $1.97 was resistance. Move your stops up. MMV getting ready, new high a day. It's trying $1.97. Move those stops up. Collect some. Still got a lot of volume coming in.
Yeah, and it blew through the other two resistance at 166-ish area.
Yep, I see it. Sellers are starting to line up in here. Be careful now. These are where sellers are stacking up.
I don't have anything to $3.98.
Gotcha. Yep. Be careful right here. More volume coming in now. Came down to 174 and now driving new high a day. MMV. Look at it, stopped right here. Put the brakes on right there.
Yep, 199. That's the wall. You see it?
Yep. I do. Right there. Yep. See it? $1.99 right there. Which is because everybody wants to get in before $2, right?
That's right.
Yep. So I'd have a buy stop sitting at 2.05. Use a buy stop, which means the second it hits 2.05, it'll trigger us a buy and have your stop at like $1.99, because if it's going to break back through 2, it's going to drop hard if it can't hold up here. Make sense, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yep. Yeah.
Just didn't break it. Yeah, it came back.
Yep. Buy stop above 2.05. And now right there, your stops or your buy stop should start to activate.
There's your hold.
Yep. 2.050. Stop down there. What is it? 1.95 or, whatever your risk tolerance is. So being careful here. This right here is the danger zone, this spot. This is what we need to clear. It's funny because it's almost exactly like here and here. This is major. Oh, that's a nice candle right there, Nate, to the upside on MLB.
Yeah.
That was a nice candle.
It's trying.
Yes, it really is. Got sellers at 2.09. A lot of buyers, $1.98. They just got bought out quick, though. Yeah, they got bought out quick.
See what happens. Here we go.
Yep. Told you this right here. This is the range. This is what we need to break. So we're going to pop or drop. Everybody's seeing it, right? Still moving up nicely. This is still stair-stepping up. It's still up here. I don't like the way this one came back. I would have
Yes.
loved to seen a candle come up. Oh, there it goes. Boom, out.
Yep. There you drop. Yep.
Yeah, I would have loved to seen this one candle been previous high here. Do you see that though? We had a buy stop above this 2.05 and then a stop down here. I said at $1.95. Do you see why now, everybody? Look at this. Right there
Yeah.
and right there, right? This is why I didn't want nobody buying at $2, right? Yeah, we want to see a nice break above 2.0, 2.05. Isn't that exactly what I said? Yep.
That's it.
Yep.